I'm Dr. Mbata, the principal of the school, YWCA Special School. The school caters for learners with intellectual disabilities. We develop our learners into the world of work. And we also do curriculum in our school. The only difference is that we adapt from the curriculum.
Project Zulu has been delivering special education needs services to children at YWCA from about 2016, 2017. Students have delivered all sorts of projects over the years. Things like sensory gardens for particularly learners with autism. They've constructed 3 sensory rooms, so each of the autism classes now have a sensory room. And then obviously lots of training, so things like handwriting packs to support development in handwriting.
The fidget toys.
Fidget toys, exactly, for ADHD
so that they
as well.
can keep them busy.
So it's being able to bring in kind of new research, new techniques that perhaps the educators haven't been exposed to before. Every new project reviews what the previous year's project has done, but we also make sure we work with our partner school and listen to the needs that they highlight to us, things that they think that we can assist with.
Their support has been so great over the years. Workshops on epilepsy, on autism. Personally, I gained a lot from them because she had a first-hand experience. So now it's easy for me as an autistic teacher to handle learners with special needs.
Project Zulu offers a unique professional development opportunity because there's not very many places that you can have the kind of cross-cultural learning that you'll have in the setting. It's a low resource environment, so you have to be inventive and creative and having to really work on the fly, be able to be responsive and reactive and adaptable.
The schools are run so differently out here, so we have to really step back and think, this is very different, but it's actually really effective.
It's a completely different culture out here. Basically, we've had to first observe to adapt how we then act ourselves and what we can do. Now we know what's here, and now we know how they run things and how the educators are respected and how the children sit, and we can now think what's actually feasible. Taking that back to the UK, I think I will learn with children in the UK who are non-verbal and children who have selective mutism and things like that. I will be able to use some of the skills I've used out here. It's definitely made me more open-minded, for sure.
Me, myself and the other nurse are going to focus on epilepsy protocols and as well as supporting children who have dyslexia.
We're going to try and do a bit of consolidation and training.
They've already got quite a lot of resources from the last Project Zulu group, so we're going to try and help them use the resources they have effectively.
My host family is a huge family. There's probably about 10 or 11. We've done lots of things. It's really nice to just take away all of the material things and just go back to real basic, like playing games in the garden and reading a book.
They've been incredible. We've been really lucky. We've got a teacher that works at the school, so we get to come into school with her each day and we get to talk about the same children, which is really nice. But yeah, we've been writing down all the African food recipes to take home, so we've had some great food. It's been really nice.
Our learners, those learners with high level of support, they benefited because Project Zulu donated the sensory rooms for our learners, the sensory gardens for our learners, the teaching strategies that we are implementing with our learners. They develop our staff as well as our learners. So Project Zulu, it's so perfect for our schools.